Hey everybody, today I'm going to talk about a couple of useful new features we've added to CoinManage, and let me illustrate right off the bat here. So I'm in my collection view and I currently selected 1917D Walking Liberty 50 cents, and when I right mouse click I now have two new menu items, Google Info about this item and Google Values, which are kind of self-explanatory. So if I click on Google Info, there Google is going to return with a list of information about this particular coin, and you got links to everything, eBay listings featuring this coin, things like that. Now let me get out of there. Now I can also do the same for this coin and get Google Values, and what that's going to do is try and get value listings for the coin. Now Google has this new AI overview where they kind of try and summarize the values for a coin in the AI overview. If you don't like that, you can always just scroll down and you get NGC Walking Liberty halves. And so if I click on that, you're going to see values for this particular coin, and it even shows like auctions. There we go. So this coin was auctioned off May 11th, no, long time ago, 2011, but they've obviously got more recent auctions there as well. So, and this also works for multiple selections. So let's say I want to, for some reason, get values for all of these coins. Just select all of them. It's going to bring up a separate tab. I guess it depends on your browser, but in most cases it'll bring up a separate tab for each coin you select. So this is for the 1860 Indian cent, 17S Walking Liberty, and this is also a good website we used to look at a lot, is USA Coin Book. Features information about that particular coin. So this works in many different parts of the program. So for example, if I'm in the Add Coin dialog, and so I've got Kennedy dollars selected, I want more information about this particular variety, I can just right mouse click. I've got the same two menu items, and so I can click on Google Values for this item, and again it shows you that in many cases, not for all coins I don't think, but in many cases it'll show you this kind of summary, AI summary of all the different values it has found. And like if you're not into that, you just go to, for example, Graysheet, which I don't think it works very well unless you have a subscription. I'm not 100% sure about that. And the Spruce Crafts, another site. So there's plenty of sites with information about these coins and values. Now this feature also works with our new World Coin Identifier. So I'm going to paste in an image I got from a video on Reddit. Reddit's a good way to test this feature because it's got a lot of different pictures of coins. People asking, what is this coin? What is it worth? So that's a great way to test this feature. So you don't have to have an obverse and reverse image, by the way. You can just put in one single image if it's of the obverse and reverse. Click Identify. And 1973 $10 from Barbados. I believe that, yeah, looks correct. So again, I can just search Google here. And it's going to bring links and information about this particular coin. And search Google for values. If it's a silver coin with the price of silver, it's going to be worth, actually, the coin's melt value is $43. Wow, it's quite a lot. Okay, so anyway, that's it for today. As always, if you are a CoinManage 2025 customer, just select Help, check for updates. If not, you can upgrade for a reduced cost. And if you do not use CoinManage at all, you can download a 30-day free trial and see if you like it from our website. I will put a link in the description below. Thanks for watching.